Who invented Wi-Fi and how does it work? Imagine a world where you can connect to the internet without the hassle of wires. This convenience is made possible by a technology that has transformed how we communicate and access information. The journey of wireless networking began in the late 20th century, and it is a fascinating story of innovation and collaboration. The invention of Wi-Fi can be traced back to several key figures and developments. One of the most significant contributors was Dr. John O'Sullivan, an Australian engineer. In the early 1990s, he and his team at the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organisation in Australia were working on a project to detect black holes. During this research, they developed a method for transmitting data wirelessly, which laid the groundwork for what we now know as Wi-Fi. In 1997, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers introduced the first standard for wireless local area networks, known as Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers Standard 800.11. This standard defined how devices could communicate over a wireless network, enabling the first commercial Wi-Fi products to emerge. So, how does Wi-Fi actually work? At its core, Wi-Fi uses radio waves to transmit data between devices. A wireless router acts as a central hub, sending and receiving information to and from connected devices such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets. When you connect to a Wi-Fi network, your device communicates with the router using specific frequencies, typically 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. These frequencies allow for the transmission of data packets, which contain the information you are sending or receiving. The router converts the data from your device into radio signals, which are then broadcasted through the air. Conversely, when data is sent from the internet to your device, the router receives the radio signals and converts them back into data packets that your device can understand. Wi-Fi technology has evolved significantly since its inception, with advancements leading to faster speeds and greater range. Today, we have various Wi-Fi standards, including Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6, each offering improved performance and efficiency. Understanding the origins and functioning of Wi-Fi not only highlights the ingenuity behind this technology but also emphasizes its importance in our daily lives. The ability to connect wirelessly has revolutionized how we interact with the world, making information and communication more accessible than ever before.